Okay, so we've got a little bits of thick, sort of like 5-sheet plywood here that we've cut for the actual box where the coil and the battery is going to be stored. So we've got the base of the box here, the front and back side, so you go there and there. We've got the two sides, so you go there and there, and finally a lid. So yeah, it's not looking bad. I reckon we'll probably have this sanded and tacked together soon, and then we can start to work out where the coil is going to sit inside here and where the battery's going to go. Okay, we finished the ignition box. A little bit bigger than I sort of anticipated, but oh well, it should do alright. We're not putting it on the trolley anymore like we said we were going to, because it just blocks off the oil filler cap there to check the oil level, and also the exhaust would be spitting on it, so it would probably just make the whole ignition box too hot. So when the engine's outside, we'll just have the ignition box sitting on the floor next to the trolley here. So yeah, we've made some detachable connections at the back, so to the points, negative, and the earth for the coil bracket. So they're all just pop-off connectors that they just all connect up, all colour-coded to 3 wires from the bottom of the trolley here. We're going to actually put those so they're fixed onto the trolley. So yeah, it won't look too bad. So we've got wire to the points, and the actual negative and the earth just go to separate mounting bolts here. So yeah, it does work. I'm pretty pleased with all the wiring inside. It's not too bad. It looks okay. Obviously this is a dirt bike battery, so we've still got the original dirt bike connector on there. I'm not going to take it off, because then these are just if I just undo these screws here, these just slide out, so I don't have to take them right off. I did have a switch on the front here to turn it on and off, but for some reason this switch, for whatever reason, I don't know why, apparently can't handle 12 volt. I don't know. So we've just got another pop-off connector in here to connect up the positive to the coil, which again is pretty simple. So yeah, then with the lid on, it's just a little box. Yeah. Okay, the ZZ's coming on leaps and bounds now. We've got the flywheel on, the ignition backplate is on with a new gasket, all the fuel tank is bolted on, the cylinder head is bolted down. Yeah, we're progressing now. We've got all the governor set up, also got the kill for the spark plug. Yeah, I'm not doing too bad. Got the flywheel bolt on here as well, which is also a gear for the crank start mechanism. So it comes with this little bracket here that slides over the gear. I suppose it just stops it. Well, actually it stopped the flywheel from coming undone completely. It could only go as far as that, so yeah, not bad. Little brackets here for mounting the cowling, which is, bar the fuel line, the last thing that's got to go on the engine. Not bad, eh? We'll certainly get him there. I'll take a break for about an hour or so now. Take some pictures, upload them, because it is really hot today. And we're already in the conservatory, even with the door open. It's still really warm in here. So we're going to take a few pictures now, and we'll go from there. Well, there we go. The ZZ is done. Finally. It's been a long old journey. Started restoring this thing in, must have been about October, November. Now we're finally done. got a temporary fuel line hooked up here. The original was just too bad, it leaked previously. The original sediment bowl isn't on there either because that was leaking. So maybe if we can fix those few little things, we might be able to use the sediment bowl, etc. again. We'll see. Hopefully that fuel line will work now though. The tank is pretty clean in there, so we shouldn't have any problems. So yeah, I suppose there's really only one thing to do now. Wheel her out there and see if she'll go. We'll give it a go. Okay, well, it's finally time. It's been a long old time, but we're going to see if the ZZ is going to go. Just got to connect up the ignition. There we go. We are now ready. God damn, I am nervous. Right. Let's pray to God she doesn't have my hand off.